Hi, unicorns! It's time for me to transform from my current adorable state into the human rainbow of my unicorn dreams. Let's get started. So, something about me, I am a colorful hair hoarder. I have a color palette I like to use, and brands I tend to use because they have all of my colors. So, I ended up using 13 colors for this particular set of braids, which means 13 different packs of hair. Earlier, I prepped my hair by putting it in 8 sections. And honestly, I really do this to keep parting and the color distribution organized. I can get pretty complicated with all of the color patterns I like to do, so this really helps. Sorry for all of the bouncing. I am autistic and I simply cannot sit still. I love bouncing. The first day of braiding is always the hardest. Like, I never make as much progress as I would like. So I'm trying to pick up the pace a little and really focus on braiding. Say hi to my son Morph. He loves hanging out with me while I work and do my projects in here. I set aside a lot of time for this project. Braiding is my special time where I reconnect with myself and recharge. I listen to music, I watch TV shows and movies, I bounce on my bouncy ball, and basically just stim out and have a good time. It's me time, you know? It's day 3 of braiding, and I'm starting my day with a twirl break and some stretching to get warmed up. And then as I was setting up, my wife Lavender brought me some snacks and watermelon juice, which was really sweet. So I used to never part my micro braids, but I somehow started. And now I really like how it feels when it's kind of neat. Now I kind of can't stop. Also, I cannot vouch for the back. I'd probably be out here looking crazy back there. So don't look at the back, but I kind of also don't care because it's really hard and I do my best. And honestly, that's always good enough for me. It's day 4 and slowly but surely I'm making progress. I wore my Care Bear Cousins overalls because I really needed the extra moral support from all my Care Bear Cousin homies. I'm all powered up from my blueberry smoothie and I'm wearing my rainbow veggie shirt, which matches my braids perfectly. So, I'm already winning. probably say this every time, but these may be my favorite braids, especially micro braids that I've ever done. Like by the time I got to this part, like the top of my head, I was already in love. Like I just knew. I knew that these were going to be it. The transformation is happening. My unicorn powers are increasing. Day 8, unicorns. If you've made it with me this far, thank you. This little part at the top takes forever. Like, it's my arch nemesis, okay? Because I always get excited, like, yes, I'm about to be done. It ends up taking like the whole day, like more time than I possibly could imagine. I've been braiding my own hair for close to 30 years now. Like, wow. Yeah, that's a long time. That's a long time. Okay, I hate this part. But the hot water seals the hair and the braids, and it helps with tangles and everything, so gotta use the hot water. And now the rainbow transformation is complete, and I get to live all of my unicorn dreams. Let me know what you think. Would you ever wear rainbow hair? I'm curious. I mean, I highly recommend it. It makes life so much more fun when you can look in the mirror and see a rainbow staring back at you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Bye.